Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Portia, but all my friends call me Porsh, so call me Porsh. With that being said, I am going to do a hair bun tutorial for you guys. It's a really quick, simple, and easy hair bun. Yeah. So I normally do like hair buns when my hair is like super dirty and I don't have time to wash it if I have somewhere to go. And I think it just gives like a nice little cool, like slick and like edgy type of look. At least the way I'm gonna do it. It's going to be kind of like a top bun, if you will. But anyway, with that being said, we're just gonna get started. Okay, so just really some simple things that you need. You just need a comb like this, like a wide tooth comb, or any comb will do pretty much. You just need something now to detangle your hair, and like a really thick brush, or just like any type of brush that is going to get your hair slicked down. Anything, something like that. Of course, you can't do a bun without bobby pins, so here are some bobby pins. There's hair on everything. My life. Of course, you need a hair tie. So the hair tie, and then lastly, any edge control, or I don't know, like any edge control of your choice. If you want to do like some baby hairs or something. I personally don't use edge control. I'm going to show you what I do to actually get my hair to slick down. But yeah, I'm not a fan of edge control. I don't like all of that building up in my hair. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not. So with that being said, we're just going to get started. I'm going to take off my silk cap right here. And yeah, so we're just going to comb through my hair. As you can see, it's like really frizzy. It's like stringy. It's a mess, baby. It's a mess. But we're going to work it out. We're going to make it look good. So the first thing we want to do is essentially just comb your hair out. So you just want to comb it out, make sure there's no tangles. So now I'm just going to kind of start with my ponytail. So as I'm combing, I'm just going to comb my hair upwards. And I feel like a lot of people are going to be like, well, I can't do this because I have shorter hair. If you do have shorter hair, my suggestion is to use hair extensions. Or if you're not, just like rock the shorter bun. Like, who cares? It's not really going to be that big of a deal, because when you put your hair in a top bun, no top bun looks super big. At least mine never looks super big unless I'm doing like a bow tie or something. I don't know. But yeah, so just kind of pull it up to your desired length. I really like it when it's like super on top of my head, and I also pull it really, really taut, so that way it can, the face, okay? Instant facelift, because I already have the contour, but we just need it to be lifted even more. So as much as you can lift it, baby, that's what we're going to do. However you want it to be. And then also, however high you want it to be, however tight you want it to be, that's all you. So now we have a pony. I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit more because we wanna have migraines after this. That's the whole point. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of wrap it around itself. Just continue to wrap it around itself. So if it goes around once, that's cool. If it goes around twice, my hair tends to go around like a few times, and depending on like how neat you want it, I suppose. Okay, I dropped that one. You can kind of go from there. So we're going to take a bobby pin and we're just going to pin this little flap of hair that's left over. So that's going to be the first thing that we pin. So we're just going to pin that. So pin that in. And with that being said, now we could kind of get it popping. So now we're just going to kind of loosen it up a little bit, turn it around, move it around, get a little messy. And then the best thing about top buns is getting it messy and then pinning it down so it doesn't look crazy. That's the best part of a hair bun. That's literally the best part. Just making it up. See what I'm saying? And it's kind of just up to you. Like these super frizzy parts, like my ends, I'm just going to pin that in because that's not attractive. And then this part right here that's kind of sticking out all crazy, I'm actually going to just go ahead and pull it out. And kind of, once again, wrap it within itself. I'll take this one out. And wrap that within itself. So at this point, it's all like just personal preference, like what you think that you want and like the height. I really like really, really big hair, really, really big buns. So you kind of just mess with it until you get your desired type of look. I think not quite sure how this side is looking. Okay. I think that's good for the most part. If it's bad, I'm totally gonna roast myself when I watch this footage back. But I think this is pretty good. For right now, I'm kind of in a hurry, so it's just going to have to be good. So with that being said, now we are going to do something with this whole situation right here. Now, this is normally where your edge control or I don't know, hairspray or whatever you would use to slick your hair back would normally come into play, just to get everything really slick and put into place and well put together. I'm not doing that. So what I actually do to get my hair to slick down and kind of stay is water.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Yes, I said water. I know all of my brown girls and chocolate girls, they're gonna say, girl, what? Water? Yes, water. Yeah. So I use water. I don't know what it is, you guys. It works for me. That's all I'm going to say. I don't know why it works, but it works for me, and that's what I've been doing. So yeah. Don't come for me. With that being said, I am just going to, not even a lot of water, like don't try to dunk your head in water, guys. That's not what I'm talking about. Just get your hands like moist, like this right here. Just make sure there's enough water on them, and then just kind of start hitting your hair with the water, just to make sure there's like moisture on the hair, but it's not wet, if you catch my drift. So you're just kind of gonna start forming it how you want it. And you can also kind of like decide what's too, like how much water you think you need. There's some dripped on my face. Okay, I think that's enough. All right. And then then you're gonna go in with the brush. You're gonna go in with this brush and then just swish it back, baby. Swish it back. Now, if you think it's not enough or it's not staying down and you think you need some more, by all means, get you some more. I might be out of frame with this, but I'm gonna get kind of close so I can make sure that I have everything going the way I want it to go. And so, yeah, you just want to push it all back. Make sure it's all going upward. And you don't miss any spots. And nothing is sticking out. I kind of go in with my hand, kind of like a follow, to make sure everything is going smoothly. And then I kind of curve. That was a bad interpretation, but I kind of curve my hair that way, up, that right there. And then kind of fix the bun, because, you know, it's kind of inevitable that, well, at least for my hair, it's kind of inevitable that I hit the bun with the brush. So, yeah. Once over, like this. For instance, this isn't really down enough for me. So I'm just gonna go right here, straight back. Okay. I'm gonna kind of do like a once over. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I do my top knot buns. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, then you can hit the like button. You can leave a comment down below if you like me doing these really quick and simple hair tutorials. Yeah, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.